Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode, the topic that we will be discussing today is about Article 244A and Assam Hill Tribes. So what is Article 244A of the Indian Constitution and how is it related to the Assam Hill Tribes, and what is the connection between it and what has been the history with regard to it? So first of all, about the points of discussion, first we'll be looking at the news, then Deepu Lok Sabha constituency and why is it in news, Article 244A of Indian Constitution, what is the background of it, and in the end a prelims practice question. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 2, that is polity segment. So what becomes important is Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. So the news talks about what is Article 244A. So this is the first part, the constitutional promise of autonomy and the constitutional promise of, so this in itself is a very big and a huge term, constitutional autonomy, driving the election narrative at the tribal seat in Assam. So this question or this news heading tells a lot. First of all, first part is Article 244A. This we have to understand. Constitutional promise of autonomy we have to understand. Tribal seat we have to understand, and the role of Assam there. So let's begin. First of all, what is going on as of now in the news is that Assam's tribal majority, Deepu Lok Sabha constituency. So see, Assam has around 14 constituencies, and out of which a Lok Sabha constituency which is tribal majority. So this constituency has majority of tribal people live there, and the name is Deepu Lok Sabha constituency. So this constituency votes on April 26, and the candidates of all the parties contesting from this Lok Sabha constituency, they promise about the implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution. So there is something in Article 244A which is very important for the people of Assam and especially to the Deepu Lok Sabha constituency, that all the candidates from the parties which stand from this seat to win election, they promise about the implementation of Article 244A. And Article 244A of the Constitution talks about creation of autonomous state within a state. Autonomous means something which is independent. So, and state within a state means Assam, and within a state means that a autonomous area. So, Article 244 clause A, Article 244A talks about to create an autonomous state within a state. So, let's see. First of all, let us know about the Deepu Lok Sabha constituency. So first of all, let's look at the map of Assam. So Assam is a Indian state, and it belongs to the northeastern state. So it is, as compared to the northeastern state, it is huge in size, and one of the major rivers that flows through Assam is Brahmaputra. So Assam has 14 constituencies. And if we talk about the Deepu Lok Sabha constituency, so the yellow region which you are able to see is mainly the region of the Deepu Lok Sabha constituency, and it majorly the tribal population is there, and specifically the region being the Karbi Anglong region, Dima Hasao region, and the West Karbi Anglong region. So let us know about the Deepu Lok Sabha constituency. So it is one of the most sparsely populated of Assam 14 Lok Sabha constituencies. So the population is very less. It has just 8.9 lakh voters. So the population is less, and the number of voters is around 8.9 lakh. And it is reserved for scheduled tribes. So it has a majority of population is scheduled tribe, and it is reserved for scheduled tribes. Then it covers 6 legislative assembly segments in 3 tribal majority hill districts of Assam. So 3 tribal majority hill districts of Assam is associated, that is Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, and Dima Hasao. So these are the regions of the Deepu Lok Sabha constituency. and it is administered under the provisions of the 6th schedule of the constitution. So 6th schedule of the constitution is associated with 4 states, that is Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram, and the state that we are talking about as of now is Assam, and we are also talking about the scheduled tribes. So this describes the provisions as to the administration of tribal areas in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. So how the administration of the tribal areas will work in 4 states, that is Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. So how the tribal areas administration will work. So the Dipu Lok Sabha constituency is administered under the provisions of the 6th schedule, and 6th schedule talks about how the administration of the tribal regions or the tribal areas will work in 4 states, that is Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. So this is about the Dipu Lok Sabha constituency. Now about Article 244A of the Constitution. So what does Article 244A talks about? So Article 244A is inserted by the Constitution by 22nd Amendment Act 1969. So it was inserted by the 22nd Amendment Act, 22nd Amendment Act 1969. And what it does, it enabled Parliament to pass an act to form within the state of Assam an autonomous state comprising tribal areas, including Karbi Anglong, and this can be in whole of state or in part of state. So let me read it for you again. So what Article 244A does is it gives power to the Parliament, that the Parliament can pass an act that it can form within the state of Assam an autonomous state. So within Assam an autonomous state can be formed, and that autonomous state can be wholly in part of Assam or in partially in part of Assam. So that is whole Assam or in part of Assam, all or any of tribal areas including Karbi Anglong. So majorly Parliament got the power to form a state within a state, and that is an autonomous state within the state of Assam, and that autonomous state belonged to tribal areas, and that including Karbi Anglong. So what happened is, so the Dipu Lok Sabha constituency consists of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. So Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, according to Article 244A, the Parliament got the power to make a state or a autonomous area within the tribal area. So Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong or Dima Hasao, these are the tribal areas. So for better administration, autonomous area can be created within Assam. So Parliament enabled Parliament to pass an act to form within the state of Assam an autonomous state comprising tribal areas. I hope now things are clear. And the autonomous state would have its own legislature or council of ministers or both. And that is why this autonomous state is powerful, because it will have its own legislature or council of ministers or both. And the most important power is the control over law and order. So Article 244A of the Constitution, it goes beyond the 6th schedule, as the 6th schedule has limitations with regard to the financial powers and also with regard to the control over law and order. But Article 244A gives power to these autonomous state within the state of Assam. So the autonomous state will have the power to have its own legislature or council of minister or both, and they will also have the power to control law and order. And that is why the people of the Deepu Lok Sabha constituency is demanding for Article 244A to be implemented, because the implementation of Article 244A will give them the autonomous state, and they will also have their own legislature or council of ministers. They will also have power to control their law and order, which they will not even get by being under the 6th schedule, and that is why Article 244A becomes all the more important. And this is also a reason why their implementation is also being asked for. Now let us know things about its background. So the demand for autonomy began in 1950s, seeking a separate hill state in the regions of Karbi Anglong. So the demand for autonomy began during the time of 1950s. So they wanted their separate hill state, and as a result, the creation of a full-fledged state of Meghalaya took place in the year 1972. And the Autonomous State Demand Committee, it signed a memorandum of settlement with the state and the central government in the year 1995, and enhanced the power of the two autonomous councils in the region. And these two autonomous councils are Karbi Anglong and Chachar Hill State, and by increasing the number of departments under their charge to 30 from 10. Then what happened in the year 2021? Peace settlement was reached with 5 militant groups in Karbi Anglong. So in the year 2021, peace settlement was reached between the groups of Karbi Anglong. And then what happened was that in the peace settlement, greater autonomy and a special development package of rupees 1000 crore over 5 years was promised. But as of now, what happens is that the Karbi Anglong and the tribal population living there, they want the implementation of Article 244A so that they can have their autonomous status. And this is why the election in the Deepu Lok Sabha constituency become all the more important, because it is in the state of Assam and it is majorly a reserved tribal seat. So this is about the Deepu Lok Sabha constituency seat and the Article 244A connection. Now in the end, a prelims practice question, and you people will give me the answer in the comment section. Article 244A of the Constitution is inserted by which of the following amendments? 22nd Amendment Act, 24th Amendment Act, 73rd Amendment Act, or 86th Amendment Act. So give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.